Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create progress bar and use it in monday.com. So first navigate to your board, and in order to add a column with your progress bar, first click on add column. Then simply go here to more columns and type here progress, and you can see progress tracking should pop up. Click on add to board, and now it will add a battery to your progress column. It is really simple to add it. You can also change the progress tracking settings right here. So you can see the status, total must be 100%. You can distribute with equally if you want. So choose which status columns will be shown in the progress bar. Then press save. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.